This is how you can use Excel to create a dynamic Gantt chart in just 3 minutes. Most of this is hand keyed in, including the start date, the days, the percentage done, but days past is a formula and days left is a formula. Go ahead and pause or screenshot there for the formula. Let's select our key activities and our start dates and insert a 2D bar chart. I am resizing this as big as I can, but I am on mobile, so then let's select our days past and days left, Control C to copy, click on the chart, and Control V to paste. And now you will see 3 different colors. I have blue, orange, and green. Right-click and format that left axis. Check the box for categories in reverse order and close out. Now we're going to go up to our start date, the very first date we have, and change that format to number. Remember this code, 45778. Now right-click on the format axis, and we want this minimum date to be that code. And then let's close out, and now it's changed the axis quite a bit. Looking good. Now what I want to do is right-click and format again on the top and go to labels and position these to high, and you'll see that it moves it to the bottom. You could leave it there if you wanted, but I prefer it this way. So then let's go up to the top right here to format. And I always forget where this is, but there it is, shape styles. We want to turn the blue to no fill. We don't want to see that area. So I'm also going to do a no outline just to be sure it's not there. Now you're just left with the orange and green, which is our days past and days left. If I right click here again in format, I can change the gap width down quite a bit. I'm going to go somewhere around 20%, and that's going to make our bars much wider. Then when I click on these, I can change the colors. I'm going to go with dark gray on the right for the days left, and then days past is going to be a light gray on the left. Feel free to change these to colors that match your company logo. Right click and add data labels on both of the bars. I find this makes it really nice to see how many days you have left and days past. And then let's do some formatting here. Again, on mobile, this is quite difficult. If you were on a computer, let's just resize this much wider. This chart would look amazing. So now I'm going to click on the data labels and format these. So let's turn this font white so you can actually see it and bold it. You can change the size of these numbers as well, just like you can change any other font size. So you could do that and then make that bold as well. So now as I drag this down, these are getting easier to read. The next step is to test it out to make sure it works. So let's adjust our days here. Looking good. And then if we change the percentage done, that will adjust as well. Great. Now let's go over here to our status. If you go up to data and data validation, you can click on list and you can type in all of your statuses. I'm going to go relatively quick here, so I'm just going to type in 3 of them. But however many you have, you can add them and hit OK. Now it turns it into a drop down. So if you want to select a different one, it makes it a lot easier instead of having people manually type, and then they'll probably type in the wrong thing. So this really limits what they can do. Now let's go up to conditional formatting, highlight when it's equal to the word done, and we're going to customize this to a green fill, hit OK, and OK, and you just repeat this step for every status you have. I suggest making a drop down for the names as well, and then you're done.